Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks, and yeah, the first structure for the module's in. Let's open up, take a look at it. I was gonna do the Sunrise Mill, as you see all the diagrams and layouts that I have up on there lately, or with the Sunrise Mill on it. But I went online, looked around to see how guys were building it and weathering it and making the thing look cool. And none of the doors are openable. You gotta do a ton of modifications to it to get the doors open. And I'm just not really into doing that much work on it to do it. This was the other model that I was planning on, the Stateline farm equipment. So let's check this out. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright. Let's see what we got here. We got a roof. We're going to give that a little treatment. Got doors. Got a oil tank, hollow, bunch of doors, front windows, glass. I guess that's the loading dock. Wow, that's actually it's pretty big. I want to see if I can find I think Walthers might sell us another loading dock. I kind of want to make this one a little bit longer, but I'm not sure. But that's that. There's the face. There's the face of the building, front of the building. Or at the side of the building. No, it's the front. Front and rear. So that's the base. Oh wait, look at that. Oh, that's okay. There's like a showroom inside. So that's the front of the building. There's a showroom inside. It's the base. All these stuff we're gonna hit with a gray primer, and we're gonna do a little weathering on it. It's a pretty straightforward kit. You know, not that much. A lot of windows, a lot of doors. Yeah, we're gonna. I haven't built a kit in over 20 years. Got some stickers on here. I don't know. Stateline, Tri-County. I got a ton of Stateline stuff on there. Not that much Tri-County. One Tri-County sign. Oh. Do Midtown Auto Body. Nah, I'm not doing it. I like that. I'm probably going to go with, I don't know. Tri-County Farm Equipment. Farm Supply sounds pretty good. I kind of like that one. But, yeah, that's that. So, yeah, we're going to, we'll hit this. We'll hit the, all this stuff with a little Tamiya primer, gray primer, and grade up, and then we'll start giving it a bunch of washes with concrete to start making it look like concrete. It's gonna be a white stone. I actually saw online someone did one of these, and they did it in red brick. It actually looked pretty good in red brick, but I don't know. I want to try the concrete because I've never done concrete before. We'll blow this thing out first. When we get a chance, we start putting them together. I'm going to get this done first so we can start playing with it on the layout, on the module, I mean. And yeah, this kit is going to be a multi-use kit because we're going to use this on the Hot Tracks module. And if you guys have been following me on any other sites, I just found out this thing called Fremo, and it looks pretty cool. I kind of like it. It's a single or double track. A bunch of guys on the island are talking about have been talking about starting a Fremo group on the island. Not really. It's kind of weird. It's not a group. It's not an organization. It's kind of like JMRI. It's a group of people working together to get this thing done. But sooner or later, they're gonna have to face reality. They're gonna have to firm it up, and they have standards. The big standard is it's the ends are 24 inches, and you can do 2 foot, 4 foot, 6 foot modules, and then single track or dual track. I'm probably going to do a single track one first. I mean, really can't get much crazier on it. They emphasize on operation and modeling, doing good scenes and stuff like that. So, but yeah, like I said, I'm going to go pretty much with this. I'm going to do I'm going to shoot it in gray, and do a bunch of weathering with some different colored concretes. I have 4 or 5 different concrete paints. I'm going to try doing washes with those, and if I don't like the way they look, I will soak it in alcohol and start over again. So that's pretty much this one for now. It's going to be a really quick episode, so enjoy it, because it's never this short. I usually talk too much about blah 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 blah. Yeah, once again, thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. If you want me to do anything, you want to see some sort of technique done that you've never done before or nervous to try, just put it in there. As you can tell, like that car I just gave away, it was all new to me. I never did weathering like that before, so it came out pretty good. The guy who won it actually happened to be local, and I was able to drop it off to him and meet the guy in person, and he's really happy with it, and I'm really happy that he's happy with it, and we'll go from there. All right, so like and subscribe, hit the notification button. I keep forgetting about that. Hit the notification button, and as always, catch you later.